Hello, it's Jen. Post-hurricane news. You do maybe notice, see, the seeds are coming out in cilantro, and they're green right now, but they'll turn yellow. You see the flowers are gradually going away and turning into seeds, but the seeds have not turned yellow yet, so they are not ready. And I'm like trying to string it together, cause this weekend the poor thing like just flopped. Don't worry, it's still alive. Let's see the string there. It's still alive. Let me see. And here is one of the busiest corners of my blue cocoa beans, and you can see it's a little bit kind of crowded, so I kind of took down some leaves. They seem to have blown away already, and those are my very woolly collards. So if somebody could give me a good recipe, Maggie, be nice. Maggie, be nice, okay? Be nice. And I think I just broke off 2 stalks. So don't change course of your lovely beans. Oh dear, but more is growing because look, I had to add 2 more stakes. Oh, this is too funny. I had to add 2 more stakes. One there. Yes, that one. And one over there, which I'm hoping that one will occasionally somehow attach itself to there. So yeah, things are getting it. And if anybody knows, oh yes, that very strange plant there, right in the middle. Is that a weed? Or, yeah, that very strange plant right there, right next to the collards. Is that a weed or an actual plant? I'm kind of curious. So yeah, and my onions have pretty much had it, although I really should collect those. So yeah, this is my, and I gotta show you my Koban beans, my haricot vert. And these, I think, are going to be bush beans. Look at that. They're flowering. They're flowering. They're beautiful. They're beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And right here, maybe you can see better. You see? They're flowering, even though they haven't shown beans. It's funny. So yeah, a nasty weed there. I think it's a nasty weed. Yeah, this garden is like 1 or 2 weeks behind everybody else. So yeah. Okay, yeah, it's like 90 degrees out. Okay. Talk to you later then. Bye.